Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to clear search history on YouTube. So to do that, let's head over to our YouTube application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to the profile of YouTube by tapping the profile icon on the lower right corner. Then go to the Google account. Once you're there, tap on the search icon on the top right. Here in the search bar, write YouTube search history or YouTube history. So I'm heading over there. So once you're there, you will find this YouTube history section. It will include, there are some sub settings in here that in mine, it includes the YouTube videos that I watch and includes my searches on YouTube. So head over to the manage history section. Now, if I want to delete the search history, what I can do is just to tap on the search, go to delete option or to delete drop down and select the time range of the deletion of which time range I want to delete. So I'm just checking on delete today and here tap on got to it. And yeah, the search history of my today YouTube's search history is deleted. So yeah, this is how you can do it too. Hope this video helped you out and we'll see you in the next video.